Video is becoming more important than ever, and video feature factor to many photographers when choosing a new camera. If you're looking for a camera capable of shooting good video, consider camera capable of shooting your purchase. Panasonic Lumix GH5. Panasonic's GH series has always been known for great video, and the GH5 takes things straight into pro video territory with support for DCI 4K/24p and UHD 4K/30p recording with 10-bit 4:2:2 color, as well as 4K/60p with 8-bit 4:2:0 color, or 10-bit 4:2:2 if using an external recorder. It has pro-level video tools as well, including a waveform vector scope, focus peaking, zebras, and the option to use shutter angle instead of speed. There's also anamorphic lens support with real-time image squeeze, and Panasonic's 5-axis image stabilization with dual IS, which works in concert with image-stabilized lenses for very stable and smooth handheld shots. A $99 upgrade adds a professional vlog gamma curve along with the vlog view assist function, which makes it possible to apply LUTs in camera to preview graded footage while still shooting in log. As a bonus, the GH5 is also a very competent stills camera with a 20MP sensor and a fast autofocus system. Panasonic Lumix DMC GX85. The GX85 is an affordable micro Four Thirds camera with impressive video capabilities, capable of capturing 4K/30p or 1080/60p, using a 100 Mbps codec. It includes useful tools like focus peaking, zebras, and microphone level adjustments, as well as a very useful touch screen. Panasonic's 5-axis image stabilization with dual IS makes shooting handheld a breeze. It might not be the camera you choose for a demanding professional shoot, but the GX85 packs a lot of video capability into a compact and well-designed body. Whether you want an enjoyable camera that captures great-looking footage, or want to learn more about shooting video, the GX85 is a very affordable way to do it.